If you're thinking about adding a capacitor to your system, you should really know what you're getting into before you just throw money at a brand with flashy packaging. We cut a little deeper into the issue to give you a really good look at things. As you can see, the stuff that really matters just isn't there with these brands. These guys are all filler. Let's get a good look inside. Starting from the left, you'll see the Rockville 4 farad capacitor, a VM Innovations 2 farad capacitor, a Rockville 2 farad, and the NVX XCAP1F, a 1 farad capacitor. How come the 1 farad capacitor has more meat to it than the higher rated competitors? You already know the answer to that. Get what you pay for. Imagine the performance you'll get from an NVX XCAP1F. You can be guaranteed it's going to give you true 1 farad performance. The other guys, well, at least those capacitors look nice when they light up.